Do you know you can ask for refund on 1688? Yes, you heard me right. On that site 1688, I'll be having a lot of questions. All right, like if it's like some like a lady just sent me a message and she asked me if she's going to be if she's going to be scam on that site, and I told her she has a brand on Instagram, also on YouTube, and I told her, as a brand, will you be happy when someone break down your brand that you have used all your efforts and strength to build? She said no. So I said just that is how 1688 her is too. That is the way 1688 site is. All right. They are also afraid for you to report them. They can't scam you. That is why there's something they call refund. When you place an order, okay, with the supplier on 1688, and the supplier told you, and you know normal when you go to your 1680, you see something like 48 hours, some 40 72 hours, depend their duration time to deliver your items to your warehouse in China, right? Sometimes it might take 2 days, sometimes it might take 2 days or one day. All right. So when you see the things you have ordered and it's taking too long for the supplier to ship it, to take it to your warehouse in China for them to bring it down to your location. If you are not okay with that supplier, and you are not feeling so excited like the way you're supposed to be, all right, you can ask for refund. Except they are going to send out your money back, either if you are using Alipay or any of those banks that are valid in the site there. They are going to say I've applied for 2 times. I've applied 2 times. There's a supply I purchased a shoes from. It took up to 7 days. I was patient enough because I was getting that shoe for my one of my clients, and the shoe was so unique. Like, and I said, I wrote the supplier and I say, what's happening? He said I should wait. I should wait. I should wait. I'm not seeing any sign of tracking, because normally if you purchase anything from 1680, you'll be seeing the sign the tracking is moving. You'll be seeing it. You'll be seeing the tracking. You'll be able to track it. But this one, I'm not seeing any sign. And I told my that supplier, I said I want to ask was a refund. He said okay, I should go ahead, and I placed a refund. That is it. I got my money back. So this is my answer to those questions that those people are asking me. You can't be scammed on 1688 if you know yourself and if you know how to import wisely. That is why you need people like us. You need person to mentor you. You need a better production. You need better knowledge before you get into the field. All right. Follow this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. I will always be there to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching.